What is, guys? Thank you so much for the support, the love, and everything. To all of my supporters around the world, thank you guys so much. And thank you. May God bless you guys. I love you guys so much. Okay. Please follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Chili. You can follow me on Chili too. Okay. And then you follow me on X. I'm on X. And then you can follow me or subscribe to my YouTube channel, Prince Charming underscore only God. You can do that, and I'll be too happy working with you guys. Thank you guys so much for the time and the energy. I love you guys so much. Please continue to subscribe and support me. I love you guys. To the CEO of Facebook, thank you for the love and support you're showing to us in Africa and around the world. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. As you created that particular platform, it's changing people's life every day and night. Thank you, Mr. Mark Zuckerberg. Thank you so much, and thank all of my fans. Big shout out to you guys. Okay, stay tuned. Don't worry, I'm with you guys every time. More love.